है कि जो मैंने रिजेक्शन का वीडियो बनाया था मैं उसको इंग्लिश में बोलूँ तो आई मेक इट वेरी शॉर्ट हेयर एंड आई विल टॉक अबाउट द रिजेक्शन व्हाट आई स्पोक इन माय वीडियो. Actually, moral of the story I want to tell you here all. I spoke about the rejection. Rejection is part of your life. If there is no rejection, I don't think you can be successful in your life. This is my experience. I am not telling anybody whatever I am telling in my videos or whatever I have been informing everybody. It is all about, it's only related to my life and it's all about me. So rejection, what definition I have since childhood, I have seen that. Let's say I will give you an example. What I said in that video, I'm just repeating here. Okay, sometimes you can't prove yourself as good daughter, as good sibling, as good niece, as good friend, as good girlfriend or wife or whatever it is in your life, or maybe a good employee, you can say. And I have mentioned over there that I was rejected for promotion also. Rejection is mean like it was delayed. It was not that they denied, it was delayed. It was delayed because of some reason, because I had sick leaves on my on my career. Maybe because they knew that I'm hardworking, but I got it late. In my whole journey, I can say God has given me everything except one thing. What I feel, whatever I get late. But if I get something, I get, like you can say, jackpot. So I'm very happy about it, whatever I have received till now from the God. But the rejection was, I was talking about the rejection, we need to come out from it. We need to come over. We cannot hold this rejection always in our life and then we expect everything to go well. And we want, ki rato raat ko everything will be fine, like, if you sleep and in the morning life will be changed. It will never happen. Rejection, you need to let go. You just need to let go. People will insult you, let go. People will abuse you, let go. People will say how much you talk. You stop talking, you nag, you're sitting on my head every time. Why you talk so much? You don't have anything else to do. What do you do in the house? I'm giving you all these examples, what I have been, facing or faced, you can say. And still I face sometimes, but I never let these things, sit on my head. If I do that, I cannot live my life. I'll tell you what. You can see my face, not even a single pimple I have. Why I'm saying this to you? Some people, because of stress, their skin gets first effect, where it comes on your face. I'll tell you, this is true. And you research also, you read anywhere. If you are stressed out, then it will come on your face first. Second, your hair. First, it will affect your body and later on your mind. Slowly, slowly. It's like a slow poison. For me, of course, I worry. It's not that I don't worry. It's not I don't feel bad. It's not that I don't feel hurt. Of course, I do everything. I am also a human being. I feel hurt. I feel broke. And I think I cried enough. It's all gone. It's all dried up. I don't need to cry for anybody anymore. I have sentimentals, I have emotions, I have everything. But I don't let this thing to put me down. Yeah. So rejection, what I was telling in my that video, rejection is there. Rejection is part of your life. If you don't have rejection, that you will not learn that what mistake you have done, and you cannot prove. Because rejection, when it comes, then you want to prove the world that I am something. But I said in my video, don't let it be anger, anxiety, and then if you feel upset, if you are in anger and you want to do something wrong. If you want to prove yourself, you go in a right path. As long as you are right, as long as you did not hurt anybody intentionally, as long as your intentions are very good, I think you're ready to go. So, moral of the story, I'll end up here. What I spoke in my video, you need to come out from the rejection. Rejection is, it is always with you, starts from your house itself when you're a kid, right? I've already explained, I have given the example that you cannot prove to the world that what you are. Rejection is not only the interview, it is in your personal life as well. So you need to come out from the rejection. You cannot hug the rejection and throughout your life, because if you do that, if you think too much about the rejection, these people spoke to me like that, these people rejected me, interview rejected me, you will go into depression slowly, and the depression is a slow poison which you really have to throw it out. You need to let go. Again, I'm saying, you do what you want to do. I have spoken in that video. I eat when I want to eat. I eat what I want to eat. I sleep when I want to sleep. I sleep how much I want to sleep. I wear what I want to wear. I do what I want to do. I enjoy the way it is supposed to be, without hurting anybody intentionally. Unintentionally, if I have done that, then definitely, I don't know, I feel sorry if I did that, but no. Second thing, in your relationship also, I will tell you, so many people were rejected, like as girlfriend, as wife. I think this is the second time I'm repeating. This is life. You need to deal with it, right? Rejection, if you think, why me, why me, why me, why me? Because everybody in this world, you just get me a one person who never felt rejection. Tell me, who did not? I think so many people here, they are famous, they are very good, maybe they are celebrities, whoever it is, if you say, of course, I think they faced rejection. They did face, and I give you guarantee on that. But again, I'm saying, you need to learn how to come over from it. And people must be thinking, it's easy for her to say no. It's not easy for me to say. I faced it, I came out from it. When I was kid, I was in a Hindi medium school. When I was kid, I was in a big family, where you were neglected. Then later on, when I grew up, and I was not having any friends, honest friend. I had friends, of course, I have friends, but you can say the bestie, I don't have. Who I have, they're away from me. Then I went to Doha. I was bullied there. I was in Air bullied there. We are not. Tell me. They used to call me Bhenji. In Qatar Airways, this Indian mafia also, definitely I'll talk about it. They used to call me Bhenji. जबकि उनका मेरा कोई लेना देना नहीं है. We don't know anybody. And in Qatar Airways International Airline, you can say if you fly with one person once, then you don't know when you're gonna fly with that so and so person, whatever it is. But this particular group used to call me Bhenji. Do you think it really affected me? No, it did not. Because I stayed the way I was. Of course, मुझे hurt हुआ था. I was hurt. I was like, why अपने ही लोग मुझे बहनजी बोल रहे हैं, and the other nationality used to respect me a lot. A lot. They wanted to fly with me. Whenever they used to meet me, they used to say hi. Anyways, that is a different story. I'll come back to that later. I hope this definition which I gave about the rejection, it's very clear. In English also, I already mentioned, you need to come over from it. Rejection is your best friend. It's always with you from your house. Just we need to learn how to come out from it. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Ciao ciao.